Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and we're going to go over how you would replace how you put this back in, which is the interior portion that's inside the door that holds the exterior handle on the outside of your vehicle. So to start with, we're going to put it in the hole here. This has been loosened just a little bit so that it can line up right there. I'll show you right here is where it's going to line and slide over on the outside. So we'll go like this, then you'll just line that. These are T30, so maybe you need just a little bit more. Okay, so we've got it lined up in there, and all the tabs on the other side are sticking where they need to be. So now you're just going to tighten this back up to hold that into place. One thing you're not going to want to forget, you're going to want to make sure you put this in. And so there's a little hole over here that's on that door lock actuator. It slips down, and then there's a orangish yellow clip here. Slide that in, double lock it, and place that into place. And that's just that'll be in a photo there. And so that's all the interior portion that we need to do. And now let's go put the handle on. So out here we have where we need to put the handle on, covers back on. Then you're going to take your handle and you're going to place it in just like that. Then pull it toward the front of the vehicle, and that locks it in, and we have the resistance we should. And then the next is we're going to need to put our the door lock cylinder in. And that you just install. And it's working. And so then once we're there, then we're going to tighten this T30 up. Okay. And the last thing is to put the little cover plate over, and note that you have replaced your exterior door handle on your Toyota Rav4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.